Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a box opening, and I've got lots of new stuff arrived after complaining to the right people and ordering other stuff. I've got the inclines there for raising up, and I've got a friend over in the States, as many of you know, and I've got a few friends over there, but this one in particular, he was selling some stuff, and the price, for whatever reason, was a fraction of its value, and actually a fraction of the cost of what I pay for it buying it here, including the postage. It still worked out ridiculously cheap, and so I was very happy indeed to make a lovely purchase. And to my surprise, he's included some gifts. Beautiful book, Bridges and Trestles, and that's going to be invaluable, as I am going to be building bridges and stuff for this layout. Wonderful. And that was a gift, so thank you very much, Jerry. I really appreciate it. I love you very much, man. And these are some wheels and coupler parts to go with what I bought. And these are lovely. The cards, where you see them, he sent me some of these scenic details. They're street lights, traffic lights, an extra set of wheels, steel wheels for the cars. And these are the ones now. He's already bought these, and he started work on one, stopped, decided they were surplus, so I sold them on for cheap, really cheap. We'll have a proper look in a minute, sec. And these hoppers, the detail on these is incredible. Cadee couplers, which isn't a problem. Either can switch them out, or I can get a wagon that's Cadee on one end and tension lock on the other, or whatever, with an end pocket. So it's absolutely irrelevant. A wagon load of scrap from a steel press parts place to go in the gondolas. And I believe this one was a coal hopper, a giant big hopper, and it's got coal in it, but it's easy to convert for scrap. So I'm just going to bring it over here, and we can have a proper look. Just give us a sec. So I'll have a look at this one first. This, if you watch Jerry Sats, Boxcar Jerry, you'll recognise this one. 52.6 foot drop and mill gondola. And Jerry started work on this one and started weathering, putting it together and doing patches. And he actually did a little video on how he was doing it and what he was doing. So that one's actually done, and it's very heavy as well. Very, very weighty. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant. That's going to look good on the layout. It really is. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, Jerry. I really can't. Really nice, and a bargain. Absolute bargain into it. And there's all the details here on the sprue, underneath the handles and everything else. These are going to be a real delight to build. I'm going to love it. I'm going to enjoy myself building these. Really, really am. And I'm going to show you one of the hoppers. I'll get one of the hoppers out and show you that, because what an incredible amount of detail is on there. It's really incredible amount of detail. I love them. And when you realise the price he was selling them for, which he was happy. I haven't ripped him off. He was happy to sell them for that, because he bought them for a good price. I couldn't say no. This hopper here will cost at least 50 notes here in the UK. I think I've just seen some at 40 something, which is unusual. But and you look at the detail and things on this, and I'm not going to go into too much detail of the price of everything, but these were less than half what you pay from over here. Just look at the details on that. Beautiful, beautiful detail. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's almost a shame to do anything to these, to weather them or anything. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. You know, the detail's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Look at all the riveted work. And it's got the foot stands, ladders, side pieces. I mean, it might do some panel lining on it. I don't know. I don't know, but it'd be a shame, I think, to do a lot of weathering to it, certainly. I really don't know. But beautiful Canadian Pacific. And what happens is you see operators from over here buy stuff on the international market for their own operations when they need to. And so these have come up for sale, and the operators over here have bought them, like the gondolas for the scrap place and what have you. And so that's what these are going to be running as, items that were bought by the rail companies here when they came up for sale, and it were worth them buying them and shipping them over, which it was to me. Absolutely incredible. And what a wonderful gift as well, you know. Books and traffic lights, wheels, everything. Great stuff. Love you, Jerry. Thank you ever so much, my friend. That's it for now, guys. Just a quick reveal. Bye for now. Take care, everyone, and I shall see you all with the next layer update very soon. Bye bye for now.